As you see, here I have the cheapest winter tree I could find in whole Karanos. It means that Winter Veil is coming. We are all waiting for Grandfather Winter to bring us some presents. And as you see, it's freezing here. Soon, whole Ironforge will be full of people buying overpriced small eggs on auctions just to make gingerbread cookies. So, here wise men, bake gingerbread cookies right now. We start with making homemade gingerbread spices. Add nutmeg, naturally. Grate the ginger, because it's cold and it will warm you up. Add some allspice. Not Old Spice and allspice. Check if you still have health insurance and crush some cinnamon sticks. Good luck to your fingers, mate. And cloves. There must always be cloves. And pepper. Pepper can never be too much. And vanilla, so that it's not too hot. Finally, grate some orange peel. I don't know why, but it always tastes like winter solstice. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, now take the pestle and release your anger. Smash, smash, smash. Take revenge for all this damn year. Show no mercy. In another bowl, break 2 eggs, add butter and flour. Just like any dough. And some baking soda. Honey cannot be missing because it's a holiday and we have to gain weight from something. Now add the nasty spice pulp you have created and to work. Stir. Think about the passing year, about all setbacks and no prospects for a better future. When you put everything together, knead the dough until it stops sticking. Then, spread the flour on the table and roll the dough until all at once hurt. I'm too old for that. Alright, good news, it's almost over. It remains to cut cookies, make a nice pattern and pretend that you are happy and have a lot to live for. Now, spread the biscuits on the baking sheet, set the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. It means that it should be hot. Alright, and after 15 minutes of baking, let your cookies rest and they are ready. Look at this. Our own Winter Veil cookies. Nom. Merry Winter Veil Festival, everyone!